Struggling to add a button to your Namecheap header navigation? I hear this one all the time. You can find everything else in the builder, but that call to action button just seems to be hiding. I will show you exactly where to click to get it done in under 2 minutes. No frills, no guesswork, just the exact steps. So here is the plan. First, we will open your site in the builder. Then we will edit the header section. And finally, we will configure the navigation to add your button. Simple, right? Let us do it. Start by opening your site in the Namecheap website builder. You want to be on the main dashboard where all your projects are listed. Just click on the Edit button for the site you are working on. This will take you into the visual editor. Once you are inside, you will see your entire site laid out in front of you. Now, you need to click on the highlighted area. This is literally the header part of your page. Just click anywhere on that top section. This tells the builder that this is the part you want to work on. Now that you are in edit mode, look at the panel that pops up on the left side of the screen. You will see a few different options there. Go ahead and click on the option that says Header. This is where all the magic happens for the top part of your site. Next, you will see some different layout choices for your header design. You want to scroll through those until you find the one called Navigation 3. Click on Navigation 3. This layout is great because it already has a space ready for that button you want. Now, this is the part where most people get stuck. You need to click on Nothing. That sounds funny, I know. But what I mean is, click on the empty area inside the header, right next to the navigation links. Do not click on a link or a logo. Click on the blank space. This selects the entire navigation block so we can edit its settings. When you click that empty space, you will see a new set of options appear. Look for a small number 1 icon or a list item that says 1. Click on that. This is selecting the first item in your navigation menu. And here is the really important part. This is where you can turn that plain text link into a button. So now that you have that item selected, click on the highlighted button. This is the Style button. It might look like a small paintbrush or a gear icon, depending on your screen. When you click it, a menu will pop up. And right there, you will see the option to turn this link into a button. You can add your own custom text, like Get Started or Sign Up, and set the link to wherever you want it to go. That is all there is to it. From that frustrating moment of staring at a plain text menu, you now have a professional-looking button that guides your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Give it a try on your own site. You will be surprised how much cleaner and more effective that header looks with a single button in place. Happy building!